Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making instant mava or kova. It is a very important ingredient in making Indian traditional sweets. Before we start making the kova, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We will need only 3 ingredients to make this instant mava or kova. To make 1 cup of instant mava or kova, we will need 2.5 tablespoons of ghee or unsalted butter, half cup of milk, and 1 cup of milk powder. Traditionally, kova is made by dehydrating full fat milk, but it is a very lengthy process. By using this process, we can make instant mava or kova in less than 10 minutes. Here I have placed a saucepan on low flame. To the pan, add the ghee or unsalted butter. Just when the ghee melts down, add in your milk. Mix well until the milk combines with the ghee. This will take not more than a minute, or wait until the milk starts to boil. I am using already boiled and cooled milk. I am not using raw milk in this recipe. Just when the milk comes to a boil, add in the milk powder gradually. Keep stirring the contents of the pan and break any lumps that are formed by the milk powder. Preferably use a non-stick pan to make the kova, as it tends to stick to the pan a lot. Always keep the flame on the lowest and keep stirring the contents of the pan continuously. I was trying to add the milk powder gradually, but a large portion of it fell in accidentally. As the flame is on the lowest side, I was able to break the lumps and mix everything well. So keeping the flame on the lowest will definitely help. And don't forget to stir the contents, as the bottom may stick to the pan and get scorched at this point. After mixing all the milk powder into the milk, continue cooking on low flame and keep stirring for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking on low flame, the kova starts to separate from the pan. Scrape the kova with a spatula from the bottom of the pan and sides as well. You can use this kova to make a variety of Indian traditional sweets like gulab jamun, doodh peda, and etc. You can even store this kova in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Just let it cool down completely and transfer it into an airtight container, and it will keep good for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. Now our kova has thickened a lot and it is separating from the pan. It is time to remove it from the flame now. You can use this kova instantly to make sweets, or even store this kova for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. If you want harder kova or mava, just let this cool down completely. The texture of this kova will not be very hard, but you can easily crumble it when it cools down completely. Or you can simply add half cup of condensed milk or sugar to this and cook for 10 more minutes, and you will be able to make very easy and tasty doodh peda with this. This is the texture of the kova when it is still hot. After letting it cool down for an hour or 2, this is how the kova is looking. Do try this very easy and tasty recipe and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!